Is the Aermec thermostat. I'm going to show you how to use this to control your heating and cooling system right here. All right, so what we're going to do is, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to actually turn this on. So what you do to turn it on, you're going to go ahead and press this power button, which is at the bottom right here. So I'm going to go ahead and press the power button, and you can see that it turns on right here. It is currently 20 degrees Celsius in here. It's in auto, it is cool, and it is on high. Now, we're going to start with the mode, okay? So with the mode, you can change it from heat to fan to heat to cool. Do you see that? You see it's on cool right now. It's heat cool right here. So it adjusts depending on the temperature, whether it be the air conditioner or the heater. You can have the fan, which just circulates air throughout the room, or you can have just the heater, or just the cool. Right now, we're gonna keep it on cool. So that's how you adjust from the heater to the air conditioner to just the circulation of the fan. All right, so once you have that into place, what we're gonna do now is we are gonna actually lower the temperature. And you see this right here. I am lowering the temperature right here by pressing the down button, and I'm raising the temperature by pressing the up button just like that. Do you see that? I'm adjusting it by doing that. You see that? All right, so once you do that, I can change it to the heat, to cool, back on a cool, right? So once you do that, we're gonna go down to the fan button. I'm gonna go ahead and press the fan button. And the fan right here, you can change the fan speed. Right now, it is currently on medium, all right? So you press it again, it goes to low. Press it again, it is an auto, okay? So it just turns on and off depending on if the room needs to be heated or cooled, all right? So it is an auto. And do it one more time, it goes to high. Medium, low, auto. High, medium, low, auto. All right, so that is the modes, okay? Do you see all that? I went through the modes in the fan, and I also went through how to raise the temperature and lower it, okay? So when you're done with all this, and say for instance you want to turn off the unit altogether, come over here and you see this power button, we're gonna press this again. And when I press it again, it actually turns off the unit, just like that. All right, so I hope that this all was helpful for you. I hope this was all helpful for you right here. I'm just gonna toggle through all this stuff, some of the controls again. Hope it was helpful for you. Thanks a lot for watching.